Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Tricia Fuglestad, an art teacher from Illinois. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hello, I'm Tricia Fuglestad. We're going to take a look at a creativity challenge where you look for images in a cloud. Start by going outside with your iPad and taking a picture of the clouds. You don't even have to have it figured out first. Just put it in your camera roll, open up Keynote, click plus, start a new presentation, and tap on those text boxes and delete them. Alright, let's bring in the photo. We'll click on the plus, go to the camera roll, get your cloud picture, and get started. We're going to want the drawing tools to come up, so you click on the drawing tools. It defaults to a black line that works perfect, so you can just go ahead and start dreaming up what you see in the sky. You're drawing right over the photo, trying to trace out the details of whatever it is you see. I'm seeing some sort of like a mouse thing. I'm changing those legs. There's an undo button if you want to change your mind. And you can always erase and zoom in so you can get more detailed. I'm going ahead and drawing some more on a different cloud. Why not? Make a whole scene. Alright, I'm done. Ready to save it as a still picture so I could put it on Artsonia. I'm going to choose JPEG and put it in the camera roll. But I can also make this into a playback animation. Keynote can animate your drawing. That means that it remembers every stroke you made and turns it into a movie. So I click on my drawing and ask it to animate. And now I could put that in the camera roll as a movie and play it back from there. Here's some examples of some other creative cloud drawings that I've done in the past. Have fun with this creativity challenge. Let's see what you come up with.